This will be a discussion particularly for those of you that are brand new to wigs. And also my focus is on baby boomers, the seniors, because we are more reluctant to delve into this wonderful world of wigs, which I actually have evolved to say that every woman, regardless if she has hair loss, should have at least 4 or 5 different wigs in her repertoire, in her wardrobe, because I feel that the wigs are the new fashion statement that we all can indulge in. You know, we have extensions and we color our hair differently, we wear makeup. It's all part of this whole fun and game of making us feel good about ourselves. And that's the focus, feeling good about yourself. When you reach our baby boomer age, and I would say probably when you start getting above 70, that's when the hair, no matter what you use, the fibers are thinner, everything is thinner. That's what I found from losing a lot of my hair due to the stress of losing a loved one, but it all did come back, but a lot thinner. And there's not much you can do about that. So I continue to wear wigs because I just feel good about myself. But initially, in the beginning, my journey I will share with you. Number 1, I had fear. Fear that people would be thinking, oh, she's wearing a wig. Oh, she looks kind of stupid. She's an older lady. Why would she even bother? No one really cares, right? I felt that people would really laugh at me. And then I decided just to take one little step at a time, day by day, meaning that my journey was I never wore it out in public at first. I began to just experiment with wearing the wig just in my home, having my coffee in my office, even running the vacuum cleaner. I would wear my wig. And then when I go out to the store, I take it off and put a cap on or something. Slowly, I evolved to actually wearing it to do my errands, to go into the grocery store and running around town. Then, eventually, it took me a couple of weeks, but eventually going to a special event where I actually am dressing up and intermingling with different people in society and in parties and stuff, I felt more comfortable. I did not start out wearing it to a VIP luncheon. I just was too fearful of that. So I suggest you need to make your mark. You know what's going to work for you. But remember, it is a journey. It does take time and patience. There's all kinds of things you need to learn, as well as the right kind of tools to use. And there's different kind of caps. We're all different and we're all unique. So we all will experience wearing different kinds of caps. And there's so much information out here, in addition to my channel, Aging Gracefully, that I go into the different caps, the different tools, the irons, the kind of irons you use, if it's a heat-friendly fiber on the synthetic wig. And you may even want to buy a human hair wig too. They're all available. But I wanted just to share with you that it does take time. And like I have said over and over again, my hair is naturally quite dark, a dark brown with some gray streaks now. However, if you see my classroom of all my wigs, I can just see how I evolved, going from trying to match my hair identical to evolving more towards like a light brown, even to more of a reddish blonde type strawberry color. And this particular one from Godiva Secrets, you know, is kind of like a blondish with dark roots. I always love the rooted because I have dark roots in my own natural hair. And so when I wear it up, because as a baby boomer, I never have the hair in my face. It's just too bothersome. I just think it's more attractive for the older woman to always have the hair pulled away from the face, not down into the face, and to lift it up, to kind of help lift up our wrinkles, right? Not to be so obvious. But I hope by my being honest with you and sharing with you to wear a wig or not wear a wig. Should I keep it? Should I not? And one thing, again, and I repeat myself almost in every video when I'm unboxing a wig review, please be sure that you don't wear any fragrance when you're putting on a wig that you've got in the mail from a wig company. And also you never cut off that tag that identifies that particular wig. Try to maintain the integrity of all the packing, from the box and the netting, everything, the way it arrived, try to repack it to look almost identical to how you received it. That way, if you return it within the timeline, now remember, not every company allows you to keep it for a few weeks. Some only allow you to keep it for a few days. So be very mindful of keeping track of which company that you're buying it from in order to be able to return it with ease. And of course, the little side note is that when they're having these really huge markdowns, some things are marked down, no return, no refund is possible, not even an exchange. So just be aware of that too. As great as those prices are, I never really engaged in that because I didn't want to have a lot of wigs sitting in my table that I would never wear, but I couldn't return. So be mindful of that, particularly if you're brand new. Probably when you're more seasoned, it's a lot easier because you know the product line. Anyway, have a great day. Would you do me one kind favor? Could you comment and tell me, did you learn anything from me today? Will you share with me your experience? I would love to know your experience when it comes to wearing wigs, no matter your age, not just as seniors. Have a great day.